Friends, it is Running Kimono. I hope you're all doing well. It is Monday the 15th, and we're going to look at some curbside deals over at Walgreens. Curbside, you're hitting that blue box, you're ordering it through your cell phone or desktop computer, driving to the store and picking up your items. Remember not to check in with the curbside features with the Walgreens app, or you will not get a printed receipt. No more register rewards also with the curbside deals, so we're looking for very cheap items or deals with Walgreens cash, which is different. So just really the devil is in the details. You really got to be hyper focused on this one and really pay attention. Deal number 1. If you love everything that smells good in your house, a lot of the Febreze products, such as these small spaces and these little car clips for your car, which are quite glorious, $3.29, which is a really good deal. So we're going to put one of these in the basket and then one of these. If you're going to go with a scent like Old Spice, it's a little bit more. I think it's like $4.49. So these are the cheaper ones, just the generic, small space, the fresh one or the Gain scent, a little bit cheaper. We're going to have to load these 2 digital coupons, which is a $2.30 for the small spaces and a $2.30 for the car clip. So these are very generous digital coupons. So load them at the very least. And then to get the basket right to 10, we're going to grab Old Faithful, the $5 Scott toilet paper, and we had a manufacturer, and then we have the IVC coupon. If you still haven't used it, I'll show it to you. This is the IVC. It's a one-time use, so hopefully you didn't use it yet, so you can use it again, but it's $1.25 off. And then the manufacturer that popped up for this guy is $1 off one of those packs, so that is also super uber generous. As you're buying Kimberly-Clark, let's not forget to photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app, as you will get back extra points for the purchase of the Scott toilet paper. Looking at the digital coupons that are coming off, look at the course line of the Febreze and the Scott. Everything is coming off so beautifully, so hopefully you can find the right air care to make this deal happen. And then looking at the overall summary, your basket was $11.58 IVC. Free pickup for curbside, let's not forget. We have some gross tax right there and some manufacturer coupons for a new total of $5.37. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay 37 cents and laugh all the way to the bank and back. This is just some meat and potato stuff for your house and your car, and if you like smelly good things in your home or your car, really good basket. Okay, the next one is if you are a parent. This is a really good basket to grab 2 of the multivitamins by Flintstones and then 2 of the fruit flavor or whatever you want to grab. I don't think you can grab more than 2 like items for a curbside pickup. It's on a buy one, get one 50% off, so that is quite a few vitamins. As the school season is rolling around too, if you are in a vitamin supplement thing first thing in the morning, this might be a stock up pour vous or not, depending what you do. And we have this one $3 digital coupon that is in fact attaching to that box. So, I think this is the only one I had, but if you do buy a lot of children's vitamins, maybe you might have a For You coupon as well. So definitely take a little peek. Okay, guys, so looking at this, we have $23.96. They're on a BOGO 50% off. That's why the math is a bit goofy. Free curbside pickup. No tax on vitamins. How lovely is that? And a $3 digital coupon melting off right there. So the new total is $20.96. Buy 2, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. The word buy is there, not spend. So for that $20.96, if you wish to use $20 in Walgreens cash, yes, you will earn that $10 in Walgreens cash as it's a buy scenario. Now, this is where it gets better. If you go over to your Fetch Rewards app and type in Flintstone, and if you have the same rebate as this is a spend 15, get $3 back. So it's going to make these vitamins super uber cheap after this. So definitely, if you have little ones at home and you have them on a vitamin regimen and you think Flintstones is an okay vitamin, by all means, go and do this deal. It's a cheap supplement for your kiddos. Okay, now we're going to look at curbside deal number 3. Okay, so these 52-ounce bottles of Simply Lemonade, and I don't really ever buy this, so I don't know if this is a good deal or not, but I think for $2.49 it is, and that is a lot of lemonade. But if it, quenches your thirst in the summer months, this might be a deal pour vous. Okay, They are $2.49 each, so for 3 of them, it's $7.47. Orange juice is so much more expensive, just to note that. We're going to load this 2 off of 3, so you're getting a little bit of savings right there. You're going to get one really inexpensive with this coupon. And then we're also going to throw in this toilet paper to get the basket to balance right to $10. Let's not forget that we need our 2 best friends loaded that include the IVC, and this is a one and done. So if you used it digitally, you don't have it on your account anymore. And then this guy that showed up on Sunday, which is $1 off. So if you want some lemonade for a cookout or just to have in your house, this isn't a bad deal. So as you can see, the Simply Beverage $2 off, the $1 off for the Scott, and the $1.25 IVC just melted off right there. And again, I'm sorry, I don't buy lemonade, so I don't know if this is a killer price or not, but I think it's a pretty good deal. So the overall basket was $12.47, IVC gone, free pickup, a little bit of tax there for the toilet paper, and $3 in manufacturers coming off. The new total is $8.45. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash and pay $3.45. And let's not forget, with the purchase of that Scott, you'll get back some extra points. So photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. You will accrue a couple of points for the purchase of that Scott, and those points amount towards gift cards, so you can buy more lemonade. Okay, the next deal we're looking at, the final one, is with the toothpaste. They threw us a bit of a curveball, which is this 4 off of 2 digital. And if you look at the fine print, it's for toothpaste only. Because myself, when I was in the store yesterday, I'm like, oh, I'm going to get some mouthwash. And then I scanned the mouthwash. I'm like, this isn't attaching. And then I'm like, oh, it's toothpaste only. It happens to even me. So that's why it's so critical to open up the Walgreens app and scan those barcodes. Because sometimes, you just see something, but you're not reading it. And yeah, guilty as charged and quite stupid over here. So we're going to grab 2 of these toothpaste and have that $4 off 2 loaded. And then we're also going to grab our best friend, which is that toilet paper for $5 on the nose. If you don't want the toilet paper, you can also grab, I think there's a paper towel or Kleenex around the same price point. Kleenex doesn't have an IVC, but the paper towel does by Scott. So if you're like, I don't like that toilet paper, grab some paper towel. It does the job as well. So just to show you guys, here is the digital coupon for the Scott. And sorry, this is so repetitive, but sometimes people scrub the videos just to get to certain deals. So just to give you a visual of the coupons, the $1 manufacturer and the $1.25 best friend IVC. Okay, dudes, here are all the digital coupons that are coming off. The 4 off of 2 for Colgate, the $1 for the Scott, and the $1.25 IVC for the Scott. Sorry I didn't mention this earlier, but Colgate is also part of the Fetch Rewards catalog. If you photograph your receipt, you're going to get extra points for this as well. I have one that's a progressive of spend 15, get through, I think $1.50 back. So I'm pretty close to that. The overall basket is $12.98. The magic of all those digital coupons, $7.43. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay $2.43. And with the toothpaste, it's buy 2, get $4 in Walgreens cash. You're going to get that back. So how lovely is that? It makes this basket a really good deal, and photograph your receipt to the Fetch Rewards app. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys, and we will catch you in the next one.